How to integrate GitHub with Notion. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to make the Notion account. So once you are here, you have to go for these settings and members. Simply click on it on the left side. Once you are here, you have to go for the my connections. Simply click on that, and the first one is GitHub. As you can see, view the latest update from GitHub in Notion pages and databases. So you have to simply click on this connect, and this little window will appear where you have to give your username or email address and password of your GitHub account. If you don't have an account, you can simply create an account by clicking on this create an account button on the bottom. So once you have put your username and password, you have to simply click on the sign in button, and all your GitHub account will connect with the Notion. So that's how basically you can integrate GitHub with Notion.